Open the project management using the Start, Programs, Primavera 6 or Simple Primavera, and then Project Management. Here you can enter the password admin. Okay. Go to new file, new. Next. Okay, project ID is for example 1 and project name is construction of home. Okay, project ID is already in use, so make the project ID as 001. Okay, it's the now planned start. So let me use the 5th of April 2010 as my project start date, and the project must end by, okay, now click on this February 2010 and now click here, so year will pass directly 2012. In 2012 I am going in the May month. In May month I am going to the 5th of May 2012. Select next, responsible manager enterprise, next. Okay, price per unit, next. Here right now I am not interested in running the project architect because it will need extra information which might confuse you on this very beginning stage. Next, and now click finish. You can see the construction of home is now added. Right click over it. It will be better if you go to file and here open construction of home. Okay, now construction of home is open. Let me first of all have some introduction about the main interface. Now you can see here the activity details. In this all area you will be having the activity details in different tabs, so you can get all information at one place. While using these tools you can navigate through different windows. You can do filtering and sorting, etc. And this is the main menu, and this will be our main area of work. And here Gantt chart will be displayed here, and also a toolbar just to the left is present by default, which is used oftenly. You can go to the view option, view menu, where you can choose different toolbars and you can set your own layout. Okay, now go to edit and click on user preferences. In user preferences, go to time units. In time units, unit of time is day, and decimal to change it to 0. right now I am not interested in subunit hours, so do not check it. Okay, if I uncheck this label, so you can see there is no D written here, but if you will check it, then D will appear after the 10, like it will be 10D. So check it. And now hours per day. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now come to the dates. As in Pakistan, the format is that first we write day and after that month and then year. You can choose this one or this one, but I am using this one, day, month, year. For example, 2nd January 2010. So this is day and this is month and this is year. And you can choose different separators. Now come to the currency. Go to browse, and here you can have different currencies. I am going to choose the Indian rupee because it has same symbol as Pakistani rupee. So Indian rupee, rupees, and up to 2 decimal places. Now come to the password tab. In password tab you can change the password. You can see that by default admin, but you can change the password here. You can enter the new password and after that you can verify the password, but you must remember the password, otherwise it will be very troublesome for you. Now close it. Okay, in the general tab I am going to insert the activity. So press the insert button of your keyboard. I have pressed the insert button of my keyboard. You can see the activity code is here. Now the activity code is D0010 and the activity name is start. You can use this activity details forms or you can directly type here. And now the activity calendar is standard 5-day work week. So we are interested in 5 days calendars. And the activity type will be start milestone, and the duration is automatically changed to 0 days, and a diamond shape icon is appeared here. Now proceed to insert next activity. So you can see automatically the increment is 10. Later on we will see how to change this increment. And here click selection of architect, and days required are 14. Okay, remaining duration is automatically calculated. In this